I'm 29 years old and just learned why we get hiccups. It turns out, hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle under your lungs, suddenly contracts. This quick spasm makes you inhale air rapidly, and your vocal cords snap shut, creating that classic hic sound. But why does this even happen? Triggers include eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, sudden temperature changes, or even stress. Some scientists think hiccups are a leftover reflex from our ancient ancestors. So next time you hiccup, remember it's your body's quirky way of reacting to tiny irritations.